Hey, so I think I found you in a directory, but I wasn't able to find a Facebook or a website for you. Um, Looks like you you service in Sydney, Australia. So I just typed in carpet installation Sydney. You got the Google Ads up here up top, then you got the Google Map Pack, and then coming down here, you got organic ranking. Clicking on this guy, looks to be a #1 competitor. You'll go to his website. He's got a ton of content. Content is super important for Google. The more content, the better. If you'll notice, this guy just keeps on going. He's got 9,407 words. So it's gonna be really hard to beat. Just a ton of content. It's crazy. I mean, I might not. I would just slowly start adding content because I mean that's crazy. If you're up for adding a whole bunch of content, definitely go out try to beat this guy. But that's a ton of content to try to create. But yeah, the more content, the better. You can never have too much, and obviously you want to beat your competitor. Another thing, you want to save images. You want to make sure they're saved right. This guy has carpet removal Sydney, carpet the tile removal service, box dust free. So he does have keywords in here, so he is saving his stuff correctly. I mean, you don't have to add this extra stuff. Carpet removal Sydney, carpet installation Sydney, whatever you want. Obviously, this guy's removing, so looks like this guy does a lot of removing. He looks like he does everything. This guy does a ton of stuff. That's why he's got so much content on there. Tool I like to use is Ahrefs. Toss them in here. You'll see he has 3,330 backlinks and 63 referring domains. I only use 5 DR, so I need 26 UR. So he's not doesn't have the best score for the DR. UR is pretty good, but we can come in here. We can look through his backlinks. I know it's going to be it's going to be time consuming, but we come in here. We want to grab the ones that are super good. We want to grab the high DR, high UR, and we also want to make sure it's relevant to your industry. So, flooring installation you'd want to grab anything with remodeling, renovations, other flooring websites. Basically anything within the same industry. And then you don't want to get spammy ones. You want to make sure the DR and the UR are both high. And yeah, so we can come in there and make sure we grab the ones that we want. With different ways you can get, then we can go get other ones. Other ways you can get them. You can get through guest posts. You can get them through blogs. You can get them through sponsors, news articles. There's tons of different ways to get people to link back to you. But yeah, you want to make sure you get ones that are relevant and everything. And then we can beat this guy with backlinks and referring domains. Referring domains basically is how many different domains out there link back to you. Backlinks is how many times you get linked back to. Then we can check out this guy's keywords. Coming in here, you can see he gets most traffic from concrete grinding in Sydney. 200 volume, he gets 74 of those. But we want something to do with carpet or floor. So carpet removal Sydney, 100 searches, 100 volume. He's ranked #1 for that. He's got a 0 KD right here. So that would be super easy to get you to rank for that if you wanted to remove carpet. Then we can try to find ones with installations. Let's see if we can find one. Yeah, we can come down here. Let's see, cheap carpet installation, 7 KD, 30 volume. 7 KD is not too bad. Obviously, 0 is a lot easier to rank for, but 7 is not too bad. It'll just take a little bit longer. It's 22. That's going to take quite a while, but you can rank for them. But we, go for the ones that are location specific first. And here, carpet layers, Sydney, 90 people search that, 1 KD. Go for those ones first, because then you can, after you get those, you can go for the higher KD ones. yeah, we can just come in here and look for all the ones that we want to find. Um, you know, there's tons of keywords out there, and we can just try to make sure we grab all the ones that we want and put it in your content on your page. And then you can start ranking for that, and as well as you can put the keywords in your images, saved as your images, and Google will find those. The next thing is the Google Map Pack. I'm not sure how it is in Sydney, but or in Australia, but I guess everything should be the same. There's one thing that might be a little different, but you want to make sure you set it up 100%. It's free to do. Google will send you a postcard, and then you just get verified. For the content with the GMB, it's just photos. Obviously, reviews play a factor too, but photos is big. You want to get as many photos as you can and have more than your competitor. Then the next thing is citations. That's the thing that might be a little different in Australia. I'm not positive, but basically it's the name. You want to make sure the name's the same on like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yahoo, Facebook, basically just directories. You want to have the name the same, the phone number the same, and then you want to have the location as well, which would be Sydney, Australia, or whatever the location is. So yeah, you want to go out there and get those. You want to get a whole bunch of them. They're free to get, or a lot of them are free to get. There's thousands of them. Some of them cost money, but you can go grab as many of those as you can. Get more than your competitor does, and then you can start outranking in the Google Map Pack. You don't have to have a website to have a GMB or Google My Business, but so if you don't have one right now, I would set one up. It's free to do, and you can start getting people coming to you for your services from that. But yeah, hope that helps. If you want, we can set up a video call or Facebook call and go over more. If not, you're welcome to do whatever you want with what you've learned. Hopefully it helps, and thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day.